Good afternoon, students. Today we are going to start our 7th chapter, A Ghost and a Family. So, in this chapter, we are going to study about a story about ghost. Okay, so I am reading this chapter. A retired soldier wanted to settle down in a small town. There was only one house for sale. It was told that a ghost lived in the basement of the house. It loved to scare persons who come to live in it. As a result, most people were unwilling to buy that house. However, the soldier bought it at a low price. His family came to live there. It had 4 members in his family: son, daughter, and the soldier himself. So, it is a story about a soldier and a ghost. Okay, so there was one soldier. There was one soldier who wanted to settle down in a small town. एक soldier था, उसको एक टाउन में जाके सेटल होना था. ठीक है, तो सेटल होने के लिए हमें घर की भी जरूरत पड़ती है. So he was trying to purchase one house. Okay, and it was told that about that house is a haunted house. Haunted house means वहां पर एक गोस्ट रहता है. गोस्ट का मतलब क्या होता है? भूत. ओके, तो वो एक घर था, वहां पर भूत रहता था बेसमेंट में घर के. इट लव टू स्केयर पर्सन्स हु कम टू लिव इन इट. और उसे बहुत मजा आता था जो भी उस घर में रहने आता था उसको डराने में. तो अब क्या हुआ, द सोल्जर ने सोचा कि अरे कम पैसों में मिल रहा है, खरीद लेते हैं. ठीक है, देन ही परचेज दैट हाउस एट लो प्राइस. And in his family, there were his wife, his 2 children, son and daughter. Okay. Now, one day, the ghost became restless in the basement. It was in the habit of coming out of the place to frighten children and lonely women. The people in the town said so. Actually, that ghost was very naughty. You know the meaning of naughty? Yes, shaitan. That ghost was very naughty and he likes to means do mischievous things. उसको लोगों को परेशान करने में बहुत मजा आता था. So one day he was thinking, अरे बहुत बोर हो रहे हैं, चलो कुछ करते हैं. Then he decided to tease the person of the family. उसने सोचा चलो नई फैमिली के लोगों को परेशान करते हैं. In the afternoon, the soldier was mending the fence outside the house. The ghost came out of the basement and suddenly appeared before the soldier, making horrible faces. One day what happened, that soldier is mending the fences. वो घर के बाहर कुछ जालियां लगी थी, तो soldier उसको एक दिन सही कर रहा था. Then ghost went in front of that soldier and he was making horrible faces. जब वो सोल्जर घर का कुछ काम कर रहा था, वो फेंस जो थी वहां की उसको सही कर रहा था, तो गोस्ट उसके सामने जाके खड़े होकर डरावनी शक्ल बनाने लगा. तो फिर क्या हुआ? The ghost shouted, "Oh foolish man, I shall eat you up if you don't leave this house at once." He, ha ha. Then that ghost shouted and said, "I will eat you up if you will not leave this house." अगर तुम ये घर नहीं छोड़ोगे तो मैं तुम्हें खा जाऊंगा. The soldier remained firm and bold. Keeping calm, he said, "Don't disturb me, lest you should be in trouble." Then that soldier replied कि मैं अभी काम कर रहा हूं, मुझे परेशान नहीं करो. ठीक है, जाओ यहाँ से, नहीं तो तुम बहुत परेशानी में आ जाओगे. Me in trouble? See my sharp big teeth. Then ghost said that, "Me in trouble? Oh, what you are saying, man? See my big teeth." Okay, the ghost opened its mouth wide. It smelled so bad that the soldier had to turn his face aside. The soldier hammered him on the head. Now what happened? When that ghost opened his mouth now to show his teeth, then the very bad smell was coming from the mouth. Then what that soldier did? Soldier has taken the hammer. Hammer means हथौड़ा. ठीक है, and he has beaten it on the head of गोस्ट. तो क्या किया उस सोल्जर ने? उस गोस्ट के सर पर हथौड़े से मार दिया. The ghost felt very dizzy and reaching basement was not so easy. Okay, and क्या हुआ कि उस गोस्ट को बहुत दर्द होने लगा, वो बड़ी मुश्किल से अपने बेसमेंट में वापस गया. Now, the ghost thought the soldier was too hard to scare. His wife would be an easy prey. He went to the kitchen where she was grinding chilies. Now what happened? That ghost was thinking that I think it is very difficult to scare that man. सोल्जर को डराना बड़ा मुश्किल है, तो एक काम करता हूँ, उसकी वाइफ को जाके डराता हूँ. ओके, द गोस्ट सडनली अपीयर्ड बिफोर हर एंड शाउटेड. क्या हुआ? जो वाइफ थी वो किचन में चिली को ग्राइंड कर रही थी, मिर्ची पीस रही थी. देन व्हाट हैपेंड? द गोस्ट हैज गॉन इन फ्रंट ऑफ दैट लेडी एंड शाउटेड. चिल्लाने लगा. क्या बोला? ओ फुलिश वुमन, आई शैल डेवर यू इफ यू डोंट स्कूट एट वंस. ही हा हा. उसने कहा कि आई विल डेवर यू, मैं तुम्हें जल्दी से खा जाऊंगा, इफ यू विल नॉट स्टॉप इट इमीडिएटली. Okay, the soldier's wife told the ghost to go away. It was time to work, not to play. But the ghost decided to stay. Now that wife told that ghost that go away, ghost. This is the time to work. Don't waste my time. I don't want to play with you. Go from here. Okay, then ghost decided I will be here only. The soldier's wife took a pinch of chili and threw it in the ghost's eyes very quickly. The ghost danced in pain and round he ran in vain. Now what happened? That wife has taken the chili powder and thrown in the eyes of ghost. Then that ghost was moving round and round. Then he went back to his basement. Now the ghost thought the boy would be easy to frighten. So he tiptoed the boy who was watering plants. The ghost made horrible faces and shouted. Now he decided to frighten who? That small boy. Okay, then at that time that boy was giving waters to the plants. वो पेड़ों में पानी डाल रहा था. And after that ghost went near the boy and he was started making horrible faces. Oh foolish boy, I shall swallow you if you don't leave this house at once. He ha ha. The boy shouted back. Be careful, stranger. I'm worst when in danger. Then that boy was very naughty. Okay, that boy said that you go from here. Okay, go from here. When ghost said to that boy, ghost ने उस बच्चे से कहा कि मैं तुम्हें निगल जाऊंगा अगर तुम इस घर को छोड़कर नहीं गए तो वो लड़का बोलता है कि मुझसे बच के रहना, मैं जब डेंजर में होता हूँ ना, जब मैं परेशानी में होता हूँ तब मैं बहुत खतरनाक हो जाता हूँ. ओके, द गोस्ट शाउटेड अगेन एंड द बॉय पोक्ड द हॉर्स इन इट्स अगली नोज. द गोस्ट स्नीज्ड एंड गरगल्ड एंड थ्राइस ही tumbled. He ran to the basement there. He shivered and cold got. I told you ना that boy was giving water to the plants. वो पेड़ों में पानी डाल रहा था. तो जब गोस्ट उसे परेशान करने लगा तो उसने पाइप लिया और उसके ऊपर पानी डाल दिया गोस्ट के ऊपर. तो गोस्ट पूरा गीला हो गया और उसको ठंड लगने लगी. Then he went back to his basement. The boy was too naughty. He thought the girl would be fine to frighten at last. He went to the reading room where the girl was drawing a picture. She was busy on a paper. The ghost suddenly appeared before her and roared. Now the ghost decided to frighten that girl. In the house, who were the members? Soldier, his wife, his son, and his daughter. Now the ghost went to the daughter and फिर उसने क्या किया, उस डॉटर को वो डराने लगा. उस टाइम पे डॉटर क्या कर रही थी? शी वॉज ड्रॉइंग ऑन अ पेपर. ओके, एंड दैट गोस्ट सडनली अपीयर्ड बिफोर द गर्ल एंड शाउटेड. वो उस लड़की के सामने जाकर चिल्लाने लगा. क्या बोलता है? ओ फुलिश गर्ल, आई शैल ईट यू अप इफ यू डोंट क्विट एट वंस. ही हा हा. ही सेड आई विल ईट यू अप. ओके, मैं तुम्हें खा जाऊंगा अगर तुम अभी इसी वक्त यहाँ से नहीं गई तो. The girl looked up and said angrily. Then that girl looked at the ghost and seen angrily. वो गुस्से में देखने लगी. Spoiled my picture, you rotten creature. She poked her sharp pencil in its eyes. The ghost let out a cry. मान लो आप ड्राइंग कर रहे हो, कोई आपकी ड्राइंग बिगाड़ देगा तो आपको भी गुस्सा आएगा ना। तो क्या हुआ, वो ड्राइंग कर रही थी, उस गोस्ट ने जाके उसको परेशान किया तो उसकी ड्राइंग बिगड़ गई। तो उसने बोला, ओ फुलिश गोस्ट, ओ रोटन क्रिएचर, मेरी ड्राइंग पूरी खराब कर दी। उसने पेंसिल ली गुस्से में और उसकी आंख में मार दिया। The ghost was so frightened that it could not flee. He was caught by the family. They found no ghost there. It was a greedy, sly neighbor who had plotted to frighten the buyers and enlarge the property. Actually, the thing was that man was not the ghost. वो ghost था ही नहीं, वो भूत था ही नहीं। वो सिर्फ वहां पे रहने वाले लोगों को परेशान करता था ताकि वो लोग घर छोड़कर चले जाएं और वो पूरी प्रॉपर्टी उसकी हो जाए। फैमिली वालों ने उसे कैच कर लिया, उन्हें पता चल गया कि ये कोई गोस्ट नहीं, ये उनका नेबर था। सो दैट्स ऑल अबाउट द स्टोरी। थैंक यू।